fabulous, darling. Not just kidding. Hey, y'all. Welcome back to my channel for another Vlogmas. You're probably wondering why I have on this boa. Well, let's jump right into it. You guys know that Vlogmas is bringing you Christmas themed videos all throughout the month of December. Today, we are decorating that big old tree over there. And this is actually going on our Christmas tree this year. So you guys will get to see how this turns out and how fabulous it'll look once we get these feathers onto the tree. I am super excited to show you guys and share. But yeah, this is the intro, honey. We're going real quick. So thank you guys for being here. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share if you like today's vlog. And let's get into this tree decorating.
I think there must be something wrong with me, Linus. Christmas is coming, but I'm not happy. I don't feel the way I'm supposed to feel.
If you can't find large balls, you can take 3 balls and make a cluster, put them on one wire, and make them a cluster like that. And it gives you a large look instead of single balls.
That's really cute. So smart, Mom. Love that. Christmas, this is all I'm asking for. Come here, Stormy. Come on. What you could ever know, make my wish come true. Yes. Okay, you guys, we're finished. Well, we might add more, but knowing us, but we are pretty much finished. So you guys can see the extravagant topper, the clusters, the boas, and that is the whole tree. So pretty. Can you turn off this light too? Let's see how it looks like in the full dark. Oh, so pretty. The fireside is blazing bright, and we're carrying through the night. And this Christmas will be a very special Christmas. Okay, so y'all see this wall in my room is so plain. There's literally nothing on it. I just have these puffs. Oh, hold on. These puffs. I'm gonna put some pampas grass, but y'all, I do not have anything on this wall and I really want to change that. So today we're doing a little DIY project because I really want this wall to look better. I mean, y'all, look how plain this wall is. Like, this wall in my room is so boring. Literally, it's next to the TV. There's nothing. It's at the front of my room. It's so boring. So today, I really want to fix that up. So I'm about to do a little DIY project. So let me show y'all the inspiration, and then we're going to try to do it. And I'm really hoping it turns out cute when I add all the accessories. So we're going to see y'all. All right, y'all. So here's the inspiration. Like these kind of like designs people do in their room. It's like a big neon light, but I'm going to do mine like a little upscale with like some pampas grass. So you guys see like all these different designs people do, like squiggly. You could do it around the mirror, behind your TV, behind your bed. So something along that lines, like really cute. Mine is like kind of like this color, but a little bit warmer. So I really think I'm going for something like this. There was a picture on here, y'all, a long time ago that was so perfect, which is what really inspired me to do this, but I can never find it. And I guess I didn't save it on Pinterest. But yeah, y'all, this is the overall, we're getting away from it. This is the overall inspiration, is to do like these kind of curvy wall lights. So we're going to do that, but we're going to put it on that wall. Ooh. We are doing that, but we're going to do it on this wall. So yeah, y'all, let's see how it turns out. OMG, you guys, it is finally here. Yeah, you guys. I did not think it was gonna get delivered tonight. I am so excited.
Hermes link, ice blue mink. Tat on my wrist like I do not know what permanent is. They want me gone. Wait for the kicker. Bury me now and I only get bigger. That's word of my nigga. Yeah, October permanent cut. Stay at the top like I'm stuck. It's time giving it up. She wanna get married tonight, but I can't take a knee cause I'm wearing all white. Me and my bros get twins, but we don't look alike. I don't take naps. Me and the money are way too attached to go and do that. Muscle relax. That in a split put me right on my back. I gotta unpack. Pushing your black. I could go make enough money off that and not even rap. What's that? Back? Contract max. I gotta bring this shit back. Hermes link. Ice blue mink. Tat on my ribs like I do not know what permanent is. They want me gone. Out of the picture. Bury me now and I only get bigger. That's word of my. I'm so hot, yeah, I'm so right now. Who's not gay, bitch, let me find out. Keep hearing clicks when I'm talking on the iPhone. Fans in the city, hate to see us on a high note. I switch flow like I switch time zone. Can't get no food, you can't get mouth on. Gotta do mansion, cause I outgrew condo. Gotta do Maybach, she wanna fuck on drive home. Yeah, met her once and I got through. I'm never washed, but I'm not new. I know I said top 5, but I'm top 2, and I'm not 2, and I got one. Thought you had one, but it's not one, nigga, nah. Hermes link. Ice blue mink. Tat on my wrist like I do not know what permanent is. They want me gone.
right, you guys, this is the official outro. I just want to thank you guys so much for watching another Vlogmas installation with me. I have been loving this series and I hope you guys have been enjoying it too. If you have been, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video, and follow me on my other social medias like TikTok and Instagram at Maya_Kennedy or _Maya.Kennedy to keep up with everything that I'm doing for this holiday. But without further ado, this video is over, and until the next Vlogmas, bye!